3 reasons why you should upgrade to a smart dishwasher during your kitchen remodel. Welcome back to Tech Tuesday, and today we're taking a deep dive into smart dishwashers. One of the first reasons is voice assist compatibility. With a smart dishwasher, you can simply ask Google or Alexa to start a load, and then you can check the status of that. It's very convenient. The second reason you may consider is due to remote control. Picture this. You're out and about, you're grocery shopping, and you realize, I've forgotten to start the dishwasher. Now you just open the app on your phone and you can start the dishwasher from just about anywhere. So now you have this control at your fingertips. And thirdly, the last reason you may consider upgrading is to be water efficient. These eco-friendly marvels of technology use just the right amount of water for each load. It optimizes resources, it reduces waste, and what that means for you is you've saved money on your water bill. And it's good for the environment. So it's really a win-win. So if you're planning a kitchen remodel, don't miss this opportunity to incorporate a smart dishwasher. It's the perfect blend of convenience, control, and eco-friendliness. So when you're ready to remodel your kitchen, give us a call. We'll see you at your house.